Stop hitting me with the ball.
Well, the hobbits live in Mordor. There they go, they live in Shire. And Earth and Sea is over here. Come in. I'm getting this right. Is that you?
Yes, it was.
Go back!
What?
What's behind your back?
Nothing.
Gulliver!
What?
Hit you!
Don't hit me!
Move on! I'm trying to help you!
I know.
Can you hear me now?